Welcome to the next MyEnrolment demonstration guide on how to enroll in units. The study plan section in MyEnrolment is where you'll manage all aspects of your enrollment. If you have previously studied with SCU, you will have multiple options on this next page to select a course. However, if you haven't studied with us before, you will be brought directly into the course. The study plan details page will display your course name and all of the core or compulsory units within the course structure. It is important to note that the units are not displayed in the same order as the suggested enrollment pattern, so it is vital to consult your enrollment guide prior to enrolling. You can tell which units are core units or compulsory units by the C next to them. Majors or specializations group a number of units together. Here we have Part B major choice, so we'll have to select a major for that. And to do so, we'll click the Choose button on the right-hand side. Here we can see the 4 majors that we have for this degree. When you have chosen one you'd like to add to Study Planner, click Add to Study Planner on the right-hand side. This will reveal the course structure of the major you have selected. So we have a whole bunch of compulsory units and some optional elective units that we can do. To remove a major or elective unit from the list, click Remove from Study Planner on the right-hand side. When you are happy with your choice, click Save Changes on Study Planner at the bottom of the page. Your selections will now display on the Study Plan Details page. Here is the major we just enrolled in, and if you want to hide or shrink the components below it, click this minus button on the left hand side, and to bring it back, click the plus again. Now that you've added units to your study planner, it's time to enroll in some units. All units that are available for enrollment are shaded blue. As you can see, there are quite a number of units that we can enroll in currently. The unit location and the session it is available will display. If there are multiple availabilities, choose your required combination from the drop-down list. So for online media design, it only has one option of Session 2 external. For Australia and the world, we have a range of options we can select. So we're going to select Session 1 Lismore internal. The next step is to place a checkbox on the right-hand side, in this box here, and then click Enroll at the bottom of the page. Selections are displayed on the potential enrollment list. If you have made an invalid choice, a warning will display, and the unit will be displayed a different color. This is green, which means it is good, and we have made a valid choice. If you need to amend the list, click the Go/Change button to make further selections. Check the details of the unit you have selected to study. When you are happy, click Confirm your enrollment by clicking the button at the bottom of the page. The enrollment confirmation screen will display a green tick next to each of the units you successfully enrolled in. At the top, it will also provide a summary of the units you've enrolled in. It is important to go to Current Enrollment on the left-hand side menu to ensure each enrollment is recorded correctly. This is also where you will see the census date for each of your units. As you can see, we have the details of the unit and the census date. Students are sometimes required to provide proof of their enrollment, and this is supplied through an enrollment advice. You can request a copy of this advice to be emailed to you on this page. This will go to your email address on application. Thank you for watching the MyEnrolment demonstration videos. If you have any further questions regarding unit selection and course progressions, Commonwealth assistance, please contact your student advice team or Shared Services Hub on 1-800-005-687 or email inquiry@scu.edu.au. These details can also be found from the SCU homepage by mousing over Student, then clicking Contact Us.